Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mohammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. This video is the third part of the video series how to design an Excel report, and this is the last video in which we will add the formula inside the Excel report using the Python code. So I will show you, like, this is the report that we have designed in the previous three videos, and here we need to add this total at the end of this report by adding this formula. So let me just give you a hint here. Like, I have written this code, and you can also download this code from the GitHub. So I will add the GitHub link in the description of the video, and you can get from there, and also you can develop this report. So if you go here and let me just show you the formula. Here we can see that the formula is something like equal to sum and then small bracket start and then k, then k means the column number and 19 is the row number, then double dot, and then so from, this is from and this is to, so we need to add from k column and 19 row to k column and 20 row. Okay, so we need to sum up all these cells. So let me just go here and let me write the formula by using some string formatting. So I will add here like formula would be equal to, so add f to add the string formatting, and here I can add like it is fixed, it is k, and then it will row, and then double dot, and then it is k fixed, and then row. So how we can decide the row number, and first we will have to add equal to and then sum. Okay, like this, and then inside the uh, brackets we have to add the formula. So the row number, we don't know what is the row number in this case, so let me just print the row number here, like row. So what so let's see what is the last row number coming from here, and let me just click the print button and we will see in the logs. So it is 20, and here we need like 19 to 20. So I can add here like -1 and then row. Okay, and then we need to add like sheet dot write to write the value, sheet dot write, and here we need to add first one is the row, and then column is what is the column number in this case, it is like 0 1 2 3 4, so some are like we can count from here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, so it is 10. Okay, so let me add 10, and then we need to add the formula like this, and then let me restart Odoo service, and let me print the report again to see the change. Click this, and then let me open it, and here you can see the total has been added by using this formula. So if I double click here, you can see the formula here, k19 to k20, so it is fine. And let me just add one more row to add it on the next row so that it looks better, and for this purpose I will make it like this, row plus equal to 1, and then I will add the formatting like so. Here I will add like money. Okay, and then restart the Odoo service and then print the report again. So here you can see it has been added the formatting also, and it sum up all these values. So this way you can add the formula in Excel using Python code. And then in the previous video we forgot to print multiple sale orders. Like, let me show you here, and it will create multiple sheets for you. So for example, if you go to the tree view and then let me select these two orders and then let me print the report, and then let me open it, and here you can see it has created two sheet. One is sale order 2 and this is sale order 3. So this is how you can, and we got one problem here. Like for example, if you see here, it is at the top, and when we go here, it is there is too much space here. So let me fix this issue. So if we go here, we have defined the row number just before the for loop, and we will have to add it inside the for loop so that it redefine the row number is 1 whenever we print multiple reports, multiple sale orders in the same report. So let me select all and then print the report. So here it is, and let me just check it, and this is 1, this is 3, 7, 6, and you can see it is going along and like this, and it looks fine now. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. So if you have any suggestion, like you want to give us suggestion to make some more videos, so you can suggest us topics in the comments, and you can email us. The email is in the description of the video. And also if you need any help, uh, if you need any help, we have a Discord group, and you can join the Discord group. The Discord group link is in the description of the video. So please check out the description of the video, and you can find the useful links. Thank you.